so we're gonna do night droning. We're just playing around for now, but we're getting ready. He's got coffee. I've got my beer. And I've got my cigarettes.
I don't have coffee, I got soda.
Soda, and I got my drone. So we're gonna do night droning. So tonight's event, I'm gonna try and zoom this real quick. Is, if you see it, there's a landing zone that we set up, and we're gonna try and land on it. Okay, so this is gonna be test 1. He's setting his up, and he's setting up the drone, and we're gonna try and land over here. See that little sprinchy spot? And we're gonna try and do that. He doesn't know how to work this. He doesn't know how to work it. So we might not get drone footage, but we got camcorder footage, so whatever. And I'm gonna let him figure it out first. Shit. Wrong way. Oh fuck, that was a fail. You're gonna record that?